Cool, huh? Good morning, guys. We are going to be pouring the DEXPAN today, and I've already gone back to the hardware store this morning to take back the drill that we used or rented. So we just are getting stuff together for today. But yeah, so let's do this. So this is what it looks like. We got about 1 foot by 1 foot spread out holes, and we're going to pour the DEXPAN grout into it. We have to mix it up with the mixer and some water, and then we're gonna pour it in. Dad's just blowing out the holes. That's gonna be fun.
Not really.
Let Kyle do it. He needs to shower tonight anyways.
You should have glasses on.
On.
Hey, give me glasses.
No, I don't want you ruining them.
Yeah, see, look at how much is down there. We're going to need something to probe down in there and loosen it up. Oh, that's upside down.
This?
Watch out. Oh, it's wet, eh?
Oh, really? Well, that doesn't help.
Huh?
That doesn't help.
Nope. Hmm.
Later.
Wait, gloves, gloves.
You do the whole bag? Yep. Like at the same time?
Okay, we're gonna mix up DEXPAN. You want these?
Okay, so for game plan, these poles here are the deepest. Yeah, but you got to start from the front. You want to go up here first? You have to.
Yeah, the way it works, you have to. Do you want me to pour that in?
Yeah, if you want it, just.
I want help. Can we pour my?
No, Damien. Damien.
Go.
Okay, you pour it in then, Damien.
Well, hold it. Where's the funnel? Where's that funnel? It's over there. Okay. Go, pour it in, please. Tiffany or whatever your name is. Kyle, pour it in, please. Okay, and then pour the bag in, the rest of the bag in. Just, slowly. Nope. Watch these not.
Yeah, Damien, go that way, please.
Oh, yeah, more water? No, that.
So one of those bags cost $90. However, they only charged us for one and we got two, so only cost us $45. That looks looking pretty good, eh?
Okay, Kyle. You ready, man? Ready?
Yep. Mama.
Oh, no, I know. When you take the funnel out, it'll just sit there. Yep. Okay.
Let me out.
Ready? Yep.
Kyle, you're not really in the hole, eh?
I know, but it doesn't have the bottom piece to it. It's like
good.
Put it right in.
It's okay, it'll hit.
I need to do up top.
Just give it over here. So you have to go in sequence of how it expands in sequence.
Well, I'm hoping. Nope, do that one up there.
Concrete and go through your bed.
I can tell you when.
Do you want to go this
That's
way?
good.
Nope, this way, Kyle.
That one. That one.
Yeah, you can watch. It's gonna bust a rock apart
Whoa.
for us.
Okay, move, Kyle. Dee.
Okay, you gotta keep moving with us, please.
Nope. Right.
Whoa.
Ooh, that's funky.
Wow, it's already drying on top. That's
It says it
weird.
happens right away, so.
Wow, that's insane.
Here?
Over here. Yeah, that one is the right one.
Yeah. I think you're going in the
Look at that. It's already solidifying. You don't touch any of it, okay, Damien?
Really?
Those are the deep ones here.
That sucks.
Those are the small ones. These are the 16s now.
Oh, it's almost there, Kyle. Don't put your hand in there. That's what the gloves were for.
Do you want a glove? Oh. Trips on you anyways.
I'm already covering rock dust.
Yeah, but DEXPAN? Oh.
That's some funky, weird stuff, man.
Oh, look at that.
It's already
Hard.
Let's get this cleaned out. Sorry, Kyle.
That's okay.
Oh, Damien, you can't play with that.
Bring that with you.
You gotta keep going, please.
I guess because it's warm out, eh?
Yeah.
No, Damien, no, Damien, no.
Put it in there, I guess, and just dump some water in there. Can I get another right-hand glove?
Oh,
Go.
yeah.
Okay.
Here, slide that on for him.
Will that go on me? Yeah, baby.
Maybe you should go put some gloves on too, Kyle.
Oh, wow, that sets up fast.
Wow, that's insane.
I think it's there.
That'll be good. You can't put it on top of other
No,
stuff,
I
right?
don't think so. I think once it's there, it's there. This wouldn't do anything on top now.
I guess the time we took to clean it out and everything, it'd be probably getting hard on the bottom now.
That one's dry now.
Is that a 16 or is that a...
I don't think so. Oh, I did 16s in the very middle, where it was the deepest.
Okay, next one.
Did you do work?
Next one.
One?
Oh, don't tell me.
Uh-oh.
Is it just an
Yeah.
air bubble?
No, I don't think so.
I don't know. Whatever. Whatever it is, it is. Can't do nothing about it. Sorry. It's like gold, man. Yep. Yep.
You got it for 2 more, it looks like.
Well, I don't know, but I don't want to throw it in. I don't know what that will do. I don't know.
So how long does it take for it to work now?
About 8 hours it starts to fracture.
I'll start pushing it out.
Yeah, some people said in 6 hours it started.
Okay, so it's 11:48. So call it like 7, 6, between 6 and 9 o'clock tonight. Then maybe it'll start doing something.
And it depends on how warm it is, and
Wow.
so don't stand over top of it.
Yeah, you said it can blow up, right? If it.
It can if it's too hot.
There it is. DEXPAN is in the first set.
Later that same evening.
Okay, so Kyle just came out and he FaceTimed me and it's working. Dad'll be so happy. It's cracking there. It's definitely cracking here. It's such a good crack. So I'm gonna set up my time lapse now and hopefully we'll get this cracking up a little bit.